The Democratic Party of the Philippines, or the Democratic Party of the Poor, was founded for one purpose: the economic and social empowerment of the Filipinos. It was also founded in hope. In the words of its founder, "I have kept hope in the boundless capacity for good and gutsy determination for the triumph of the Filipino at home and abroad." To Manong Ernie, a conscientious and courageous leadership is what the country needs in order for Filipinos to once again prevail and harness the energy to bring about needed change for a responsible and noble government during their lifetime. DPP was founded therefore to help bring the conscientious and courageous leader to Malacanang. Side by side with the DPP is a non-government organization called Sagip Bansa Movement. Sagip Bansa's social project, like the Spartan Millennium Village and the Magneto Project, is in line with the United Nations Millennium Development Goal No. 1, eradication of extreme poverty. DPP has forged an intricate link and has the active support of the following. Number 1, Agrarian Reform Beneficiaries Association. Number 2, National Federation of Senior Citizens Association of the Philippines. Number 3, Sons and Daughters of Retired Filipino Veterans. Number 4, Alpha Phi Omega International Fraternity. Number 5, Philippine Alliance of Ex-Priests and Ex-Seminarians. Number 6, Miners Association of the Philippines. 7. Liga ng mga Barangay Kagawad ng Pilipinas. 8. Lumad, Mindanao. 9. The National Economic Protectionism Association. 10. The Workers' Party List. 11. The Centennial Force Foundation. 12. The National Urban Poor Coordinating Council. 13. The National ROTC Alumni Association. 14. The United Brotherhood of Personnel. A combined voting influence that runs into millions. DPP was formed and organized for the 2010 national elections, but unfortunately, due to the Comunix's bias and partiality at that time, was not recognized as a political party. However, the organization has remained, the machinery intact, and has continued to organize and strengthen itself as a political force, and will become a strong force to reckon with in the 2016 presidential elections. The DPP believes that the presidential candidate it will support, based on its requirements of conscientiousness and moral courage, will have a strong chance of becoming the next president of the Philippines. This is what Manong Ernie has envisioned. It is what he lived for. And this is what DPP will continue to fight for.